I trade XRP. I've got a moon bag of it, and I really just support Ripple's efforts against the SEC. And I don't necessarily think people understand how important it is. And I'm also the type of person to where if somebody makes a mistake in the past, okay, fine. But I like to look at the current actions. And I don't think people understand how monumental this case is. Like, you can hate Ripple, XRP as much as you want, but at the same time, they have the capital to actively fight the SEC. They are really doing a service to the entire crypto community, because if we lose this, in my personal opinion, again, you guys, not legal, but in my personal opinion, and researching SEC cases and reading all this stuff, if Ripple loses against the SEC, then it could be detrimental for the entire ecosystem in the United States.
Well, you say it's not legal, your legal opinion, it's your personal opinion. Well, it's my legal opinion, okay, that you are 100% on point.
Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan, and that was attorney John Deaton on Wendy O's channel. Wendy is one of the well-researched content creators in this space, not necessarily part of the XRP army either. And I cannot say the same thing for Ran Nooner. If you are new to this space, please be careful. There are content creators that don't do any research at all. And I'm not talking in this particular instance about XRP, which of course he spewed his regular crap about XRP. Yeah, I just, I've had it trying to fight the FUD on that. But when I hear his statements about Cardano, it's just unbelievable that people get away with this stuff. He had 74,000 views. So please be careful, be aware, and do your own research. I think what got me the most is when he said that there weren't any live DEXs on Cardano. Well, of course there are. And one of the more popular ones is Sunday Swap. So his statements are just absurd. And please, if you're new to this space, definitely learn who you can trust and who you can't trust for information. This was a very powerful tweet from John Deaton, and it's actually a thread. And he is explaining why it's imperative that we have proof, beyond a shadow of a doubt, of whether or not Hinman knew Simpson Thacher, who was paying him millions while he was at the SEC, if he actually knew that his old law firm, Simpson Thacher, was a member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, often referred to as the EEA. Now, Moon Lambo and Jungle Inc. covered this thread very well in their videos yesterday. But I woke up this morning and I said, wow, let me see if I can find that proof. Well, what I did find is a different kind of proof. By joining the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, you and your organization will be the company of some of the most influential businesses from the sector around the globe. The EEA membership gives those organizations that join access to cutting-edge advances in the enterprise Ethereum blockchain technology and the opportunity to help make them happen. So you can find that their mission basically is to share the latest developments in the technology, identify and remove barriers to adoption, and disseminate their work throughout the Ethereum community. Now, knowing that, I want you to follow me here. I'm on the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission website, and this is the biography that was published when William Hinman became the director of the Division of Corporate Finance. And you can see here that prior to joining Simpson Thacher in 2000, Mr. Hinman was the managing partner of the Shearman and Sterling's San Francisco and Menlo Park offices. So that bit of fact is very important, and I'll show you why. This is August 2017, the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance Legal Industry Working Group press release. They are announcing that they have 14 leading law firms and academic institutions that have joined the EEA, one of which is the Shearman and Sterling law firm. Now hang on, it doesn't stop here. Now just keeping the timelines in mind, remember that the speech that Hinman gave giving Ethereum a green light was in June 2018. Here we are in June 2017, 1 year prior. A Robert Evans III was named Deputy Director in the SEC's Division of Corporate Finance. This position would join another director as a senior advisor to the division's director, William Hinman. Most recently, it goes on to say that Mr. Evans worked at Shearman and Sterling LLP as a partner in the firm's capital markets practice. Mr. Evans had experience advising on public and private offerings, securities law compliance, and corporate governance. Rob has many years of experience helping U.S. and international companies and financial institutions comply with the U.S. securities law, said Hinman. He is a thoughtful disclosure lawyer with skills critical to the SEC's mission to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitate capital formation. So reviewing the facts, Hinman was a managing partner of Shearman Sterling. Hinman had to know his former firm, Shearman and Sterling, was on the EEA Legal Industry Working Group. He had to know that. And he snagged his buddy from Shearman to advise him. That just can't be disputed. The Shearman firm wrote an article about Ethereum and XRP facing heightened regulatory scrutiny 23 days before the Hinman speech, citing Gensler had sent waves through the industry when he raised the idea they were both non-compliant. So obviously, they set to greenlight Ethereum for safety, leaving XRP to the wolves.